Day 20. We need to get this guy installed. I am going to be cutting a hole in the roof, and Robert is going to the store to get supplies. This is just chewing through these discs so fast, so I had to get Robert to get some more. Hopefully I have enough to cut this out while he's gone, but wow. Boom. We've got light coming through.
Definitely freaking me out to cut a hole in the roof. Oh my god.
Oh, hi. Okay, I got the hole cut. I still gotta clean up the edges and stuff, but standing out of the roof of the bus is definitely crazy. Well, I pretty much run out of grinding bits, and they're down to like 1 centimeter each, if that. So I threw the dome up there right now just to get a good feel. It's pretty cool. It's gonna let in a lot of light, and it's double glazed, so no condensation. It'll also be our roof access hatch. So the dome is actually not supposed to be a hatch. We're making it a hatch. So what I gotta do is build an inner frame here. So I'm doing that, and then we can attach the hinges to it and kind of do like a flashing on the roof, and then it'll hinge, and we'll put some little hydraulic lifts on it. So you can see I've got the wooden frame now on here. We're going to attach hinges here and there, and then we'll build kind of a similar frame on the top of the bus and seal it, and then it'll open and close, and we'll put some stripping across here and paint everything, of course. All right, so I've cleaned up all the edges all the way around, and this is actually going to be the size of the cutout. So now we're just going to do the flashing part and get it installed.
Skylight, I see the sky.
So we're building the inner frame, and we're cutting these 2x6s, 2x8s to match this slight curve in the roof, and then we're going to lag bolt it 4 times across. I'm going to copy it on the other side behind me, and that'll be our upper frame, and the window is going to sit on here and go up and down. All right, we're just putting the butyl putty on the outer frame of this. You can see that there's a bit of a curve in there to match the roof. Then we're going to lag bolt it and screw it down, and then we can attach the roof hatch with the hinge roof. And you can see that the butyl putty is in these cracks here, and when we bolt it on, it's going to sandwich it and really ooze it out.
Yeah, just push it up. Cool.
Robert is just checking the putty on the outside. You can see how it all squished out when we finally got it attached, but it was definitely obnoxious. All right, I'm not gonna say this was fun because it was not fun at all, but we have an attached skylight, and we just have to put some hydraulic lifts on here so it's easy. You can see that all this putty has sealed it. We'll still shove it in the cracks and put in some sealant, probably some trim or flashing that goes on this side of it. But otherwise, success. It should stay dry at least in case it rains tonight. So until tomorrow,
Adios.
Adios.